Welcome! In this tutorial, you will learn how to perform a self-collection antigen test for COVID-19 screening with the BTNX Rapid Response Antigen Testing Kit. This tutorial will guide you through the proper steps on how to correctly self-collect your sample. We recommend that you watch the entire tutorial before proceeding with the self-collection. You may pause the video at any time. Instructions will also be provided during the testing process. First, please check the expiry date on the box to ensure that the self-collection kit is not expired. Next, take everything out of the box before beginning. Please note all supplies should be kept at room temperature, 15 to 30 degrees Celsius prior to use. Prepare supplies. Place all supplies in front of you on a clean, flat surface. Note, the test device should be left unopened in the foil pouch until ready to use. In the kit, you will receive individually packaged testing devices, collection tubes, individually packaged swabs, individually packaged buffer solution, nozzles with filters, a tube stand, quick reference card, and package insert. Wash or sanitize your hands before beginning. Fill the collection tube with 10 drops of buffer solution. Place the collection tube upright in the tube holder, being careful not to spill the contents, and set aside.